Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Leo fire sign, and this reading is from August 11 to August 20th. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your recent past. Leo, Ace of Wands, Two of Pentacles, Ace of Swords. Wow, I think there is some new beginning already happened between both of you in past. There is lot of passion, and I think in past your person juggling between two things, or you could be juggled between two things, but you got clarity. Ace of Wands, Ace of Swords, communication, truth coming out. Yes, you already in communication with your person. So let's see what is going on your connection right now. Leo, two aces, new beginnings. See, Three of Cups, celebration. Four of Pentacles, Wheel of Fortune. I think your person in past not expressing their feelings to you, Four of Pentacles, but this time they want to express, or you could not express your feelings to your person, you want to express your feelings to your person. And Three of Cups, yes, reconciliation. Definitely you both want to celebrate this connection and this union. Things are turning in your favor. Definitely Wheel of Fortune is here. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Leo. Four of Swords, Ten of Wands, what is going? Page of Swords. I think in your future your person will communicate you, those who are in separation, because I think it's your person, Four of Pentacles, they are not expressing their feelings. The Four of Swords, I think in near future they are thinking about you a lot. Four of Swords in rest mode. Ten of Wands, I think they are feeling very burdened due to other reasons also. Page of Swords, yes, communication is coming in your way, and they are spying on your social media, but things are turning in your favor, Leo. Yes, your person want reconciliation with you, those who are in separation. For some there could be third party also, that's why your person not taking any action, but in near future they will talk to you. So let's pull some more cards from universe. Leo, Seven of Pentacles, King of Cups, Seven of Cups, lot of water energy. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Queen of Wands. Yeah, I think one person invest in this connection more than the other person and waiting for the result and waiting for the results. And King of Cups and Seven of Cups, I think one person is fantasizing about the other person a lot in this connection. You both have strong attraction with each other, strong passion is there between both of you. And King of Cups, yes, I think your person want to offer this cup of love to you, but it will take time, because right now they are in this mode. Four of Swords, they will come towards you eventually, because Page of Swords, definitely you will get communication from your person, because there is a lot of passion is there between both of you, and they have emotions too, they have love for you, they want to offer this love to you. Right now they have, for some there are some financial issues in your person's life, so you will get communication from your person, then eventually things are getting better. So this is the reading for you, Leo. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.